What is Revive Light Therapy? Revive Light Therapy is a brand that offers various LED light therapy devices for skincare, pain relief, and hair growth. These devices use different wavelengths of light to stimulate cellular activity and promote healing. How does Revive Light Therapy work? The light therapy devices from Revive use different wavelengths of light, including red, blue, and infrared, to target specific skin concerns, such as acne, wrinkles, and discoloration. These wavelengths penetrate the skin to stimulate cellular activity, increase collagen production, and reduce inflammation. Features and benefits of Revive Light Therapy. Multiple wavelengths of light. Revive offers devices that use red, blue, and infrared light, allowing users to target different skin concerns. FDA cleared. Many of the Revive devices are FDA cleared, meaning they are considered safe and effective for home use. Easy to use. The devices are designed to be user-friendly and can be used in the comfort of your own home. Non-invasive. Unlike many skincare treatments, light therapy is non-invasive and does not require needles or surgery. Cost-effective. Compared to professional skincare treatments, Revive light therapy devices are relatively affordable and can be used repeatedly. How to use Revive Light Therapy. To use Revive Light Therapy, follow these steps. Cleanse your skin. Remove all makeup and clean your face thoroughly before using the device. Turn on the device. Turn on the device and place it over the treatment area. Use for the recommended time. Each device has a recommended treatment time, which is typically around 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat as necessary. For best results, use the device regularly as directed. Pros and cons of Revive Light Therapy. Pros. Non-invasive and painless. Light therapy is a non-invasive and painless treatment that can be used in the comfort of your own home. Multiple benefits. Revive light therapy devices can be used for various skin concerns, including acne, wrinkles, and discoloration. Cost-effective. Compared to professional skincare treatments, Revive light therapy devices are relatively affordable. FDA cleared. Many of the devices are FDA cleared, meaning they are considered safe and effective for home use. Cons. Results may vary. While many people see significant improvements in their skin with light therapy, results may vary depending on individual skin concerns. Time commitment. To see significant improvements in your skin, you need to use the device regularly, which can be time-consuming. Limited area of treatment. Light therapy devices can only be used on specific areas of the body, so they may not be suitable for treating larger areas. Revive Light Therapy price and where to buy. Revive Light Therapy is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.